Hi. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to use color coding in the qualitative analysis tool Delve. Color coding is a great way to visualize your research. It allows you to quickly get an impression of what codes and themes are applied to a transcript, locate a particular theme in a transcript quickly, and compare how two different coders apply codes in a visual way. First, let's walk through how to set a code color in Delve. This is the Delve interface, and we're currently viewing a transcript. You can see your transcript in the middle with all your codes on the right-hand side. We have already coded this transcript as indicated by the gray lines under the text. While you can see under each paragraph which codes are applied to a particular segment of text, it's not currently easy to see this at a glance. That's where using code colors comes in handy. You can change a code's color by clicking the right-hand side of the code and choosing one of the colors from the drop-down menu. Now, as you scroll through the transcript, you can easily see which text has been applied with that particular code. You can also change the color of an entire theme. You can set the color of a parent code and all its child codes by just changing the color of the parent code using the same drop-down menu. Now all the subcode colors have been updated as well. That being said, the color is not locked to the parent and you can change it at any time. Likewise, if you nest a code under another code, it will immediately adopt its color. However, you can change it back. Color codes can be very helpful when you're comparing how two different researchers coded the same transcript. From the transcript page, if you click this drop-down, you can choose Coding Comparison. The Coding Comparison page will show you how one researcher coded on the left and show a different researcher on the right. The code colors allow you to compare at a glance whether two researchers generally agree or disagree on their coding choices. For example, you can see a fair amount of agreement with both sides coding this section with blue codes. But then, in this section, we can quickly see that there are some differences in the colors that have been applied. Now you're ready to bring visual clarity to your qualitative coding with color codes in Delve. Ready to get started? Visit delvetool.com/getstarted or take our free qualitative analysis course at courses.delvetool.com.